Let's suppose in the most recent month, Nick's bikes produced 550 trikes at a total cost of $26,250. In the previous month, it produced 375 at a total cost of $19,350. Let's try to determine the fixed cost per month and the unit variable costs. In our current month, we know that we've made 550 trikes, and that total costs, TC, are $26,250. Now remember that total costs are comprised of our variable costs plus our fixed costs. So that means that these two things must add up to $26,250. Furthermore, we can break down our variable costs into the per unit cost times X. And we happen to know the production level. It is 550. So I'm going to sub in 550 for X. And that's going to give us an equation that we can work with in order to answer the question. Next, let's take a look at our previous month. In our previous month, we had 375 trikes made, so X is equal to 375. In this case, our total costs were $19,350. And remember that our total costs are our variable costs, CX, plus our fixed costs. Since we know that X is equal to 375, let's go ahead and put that in so that we have 375C plus our fixed costs are equal to 19,350. So here is a second equation that can help us answer the question. What are the fixed costs per month? And what are the unit variable costs? Let's put these two equations together in a linear system. And we're going to use the elimination method. I'm going to take equation 1 and subtract from it equation 2. 550 take away 375 is 175. It's going to be my new coefficient for C. We know that the fixed costs take away the fixed costs should be 0. And then finally we can subtract our constant numbers to get 6,900. If we want to solve for C, we can take our 6,900 and divide by 175. This gives us a per unit cost of about $39.43. And now that we know what those unit costs are, we can take C, we can substitute that into equation number 1 and try to solve for our fixed costs. So let's take 550C and rewrite it as 550 times 39.43. We have our fixed costs, and all of this we know was equal to $26,250. Performing our multiplication on the left, we get 21,686.5. And to solve for our fixed costs, we can subtract. So we'll take our 26,250, subtract 21,686.5, and we should get a fixed cost final answer of $4,563.50.